Today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail easily within seconds. Follow these steps to get started. For the purpose of making the thumbnail, I'm going to use bifunky.com. First, you need to import a plain image. I have already imported one image. Now you need to make sure to resize the image according to the YouTube thumbnail, which is 1280*720. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to make a very basic thumbnail for YouTube video. In the Graphics tab, I have selected a basic square shape and added it my image, changed its color and resized it. Then I have imported art from my computer and resized the art and make it fit in the image correctly. Now I'm adding some text to it. I'm adding the video title as the text. And make sure it is easy to read even in mobile devices. I'll need to change the font size, text color or even the font itself to make it good. Later I could save it to my computer and upload the thumbnail to my YouTube video during upload. If you are new to the channel, make sure to like and share this video. Also, subscribe to this channel for more videos.